guys, today we're going to talk about cleaning your NXT printer. When the printer is ready to be cleaned, your computer will come up with a message on the screen telling you it needs to be cleaned. If you ignore the message more than once, you may void the warranty on the printer. Please make sure you do the cleaning. It's this easy. You open the cover, remove your ribbon and set it aside. Close your cover. Open the hopper. Remove your cards and set those aside. Take your card thickness indicator and move it all the way over to max. And then quickly double tap the power button. Once this starts flashing, it's ready for the cleaning card. So you take the foil off the back and you set the card in. Sometimes you saw I had to push it to get it to go. Okay, your cleaning's complete. So again, we're going to take our, we have to put our thickness indicator back to the 30 position. I'm going to reinsert my cards. I can close the cover, and then on the top I'm going to put my ribbon back in. So you just take your ribbon that you set aside and put that back in. And then this is your print head. The cleaning kit also comes with this alcohol swab, and the instructions are that you bend it until you hear a click. There we go. And you're going to simply wipe across the silver area. And that's it. Close the cover, and you're ready to go.